Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. This vehicle comes with a 1.4 TSI petrol eHybrid engine pushing out 218 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG Automatic gearbox. This example comes in the highly desirable Pearlescent paint colour deep black, and the vehicle features LED headlamps across the front of the vehicle. The Multivan benefits from having front parking sensors set into that stylish front colour coordinated bumper. Down below, the Multivan sits on the 16-inch Syracuse alloy wheels, which are finished in a silver colour, and as we approach the rear of the vehicle, there is a rear roof spoiler as part of the Multivan's good looks. The vehicle also features rear parking sensors set into the rear bumper. This, paired with the rear view camera mounted above the rear number plate, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Load area in the back of the Multivan is spacious and can be increased by moving the 3 rear passenger seats forward. There is also a parcel shelf for additional storage. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding doors. The vehicle also features 2 single seats in the middle with a foldable table that can slide the full length of the vehicle. All the seats in the vehicle are finished in the Ribella bicolor fabric in a raven and sand colour combination. There is also a table, as previously mentioned, which extends and folds 2 tables out. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area, there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. In terms of entertainment, there is a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that features navigation as well as App Connect, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below are some of the settings for the climate and assist settings. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.